Hey there, busy professionals. Today we're diving into a quick yet powerful tweak that can skyrocket your landing page conversions. Let's talk about your call to action buttons. Did you know that personalized CTAs can convert up to 42% more visitors than those generic ones? That's right. Instead of the usual submit or learn more, try something more specific and action oriented like get my free demo, download my guide, or unlock instant access. These clear CTAs cut through the noise and drive more clicks. Now, at CDM Suite, our 2025 conversion optimization strategy is all about continuous A/B testing, predictive analytics, and activating first-party data. This approach ensures personalized, frictionless experiences for your audience. And remember, even a tiny 1% lift in your conversion rate can translate into thousands of dollars in new revenue. So, what are your action steps? First, take a good look at your current landing page CTAs. Are they clear, specific, and benefit-driven? Next, brainstorm 3 to 5 new CTAs using active verbs and tangible outcomes. Update your highest traffic landing page with your top pick, and track those click-through and conversion rates over the next week. Keep iterating and testing multiple variations to find your conversion champion. And hey, if you want to take it a step further, check out CDM Suite's free 3-minute marketing assessment at cdmsuite.com. It's a quick way to get a custom growth plan tailored just for you. Plus, if you're looking for expert help to maximize your landing page performance, book a free strategy call with us. Head over to cdmsuite.com for all the details. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. So, get started today and watch those conversions soar.